I've been craving rice and fish lately, and this is how I make my fish curry.
I'm just making fish curry, some sort of fish curry, and I'm just gonna use what's available from my pantry and my garden. This I got from my backyard, and these chilies as well. I froze them yesterday. I didn't realize that I'm gonna need it today, but yes, and then so we got chilies, kaffir, limes, leaves, is it? That's correct, yeah, and then basil, garlic and ginger. I'm gonna use onion. I'm not sure if I need tomatoes, but I've got plenty of tomatoes from my backyard as well. So I bought this fish, frozen fish, last 2 weeks ago from the market. It's some mackerel, Spanish mackerel. So I'm just gonna use that because I feel like I need to eat rice tonight. Look, I'm a bit pale and my tummy's not feeling good. And then I'm gonna use this green curry paste, and I'm gonna add more chilies. I think we'll see. We'll see how I feel.
I don't have the exact measurement for all the ingredients. I measure things through my eyes, emotions, facial expression, cursing here and there, what is available from my garden, pantry, and fridge. I based this curry recipe the way I make green curry. I'm using all the mentioned herbs before. I green curry paste, which I showed, that is a must in my pantry. Kaffir lime leaves give this curry a vibrant flavor, and basil as well.
I will use the um, coconut milk that I squeezed yesterday, left over from my pina colada. So I don't have to store it in the fridge for a long time because they have shelf life, unlike the canned ones. Because the canned ones got a lot of preservative on it, but no, I better use it today. And I have to add some instant one, the one on the can, because the canned ones is good for cooking, but I don't like it for my alcohol like pina colada. I'd rather have the real one. It's just me. Ah, bloody hell.
In a pan over medium heat, add oil. Once hot, saute onions, garlic, ginger, add peppercorns, and cracked black pepper. I love pepper, so the more the merrier. Mix all together, then add chilies and more chilies. Once the aroma started to smell in your kitchen, throw in the curry paste, saute for 3 minutes approximately, then add coconut milk and simmer. I also added some grated coconut because I have plenty in the freezer. Add fish and cover. Let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook the mackerel. This curry is best paired with rice, or maybe my body's just craving for it. Don't forget to add in the kaffir lime leaves and basil. Done. Thank you all for watching.